Dogmatic is a AI-powered data analyst. We work with large enterprises in manufacturing and financial services to help them to automate business monitoring.
Genesis Tech Engineers Private Limited is an engineering service provider. We provide construction design services, HVAC design to our clients in the United States and all over the world.
Softuke is a digital marketing company, helps new startups and MSME industries to boost their sales and to reach more audience, So we are kind of a creative marketing agency.
Pair Technology is a single point of solution. We build multiple solutions for MSMEs and specializing in F&B and hotel lines.
SLO Technologies is India's first collateral management platform. We work with banks and financial institutions to enable their digital journeys and also help them mitigate risk associated with collaterals.
I represent Samvad Speech and Hearing Clinic, a chain that cares your hearing and voice.
The motto for Indigo Dreams is to showcase the carriers from the remotest Indian villages to the global stage.
We have developed a machine which is environmental friendly, and it creates environmental friendly effects, and the pollution is reduced by it.
We are India's only Ayurveda focused men's health and men's wellness product and services company.
I represent Asarify Technologies. As a company, we are focused on streamlining HR management and payroll to manage your workers and business efficiently.
My company सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है जो कि सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री, स्टील इंडस्ट्री में मेंटेनेंस और सर्विस प्रोवाइड करती है.
So Matrabharati is a platform for authors to write in regional languages, and that creates a community of readers, those who can get access to those stories inspired and originally written by Indian authors.
मेरा कंपनी प्रिसीजन इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन एंड सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. हम लोग इंडस्ट्रियल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स कैलिब्रेशन एंड वैलिडेशन करते हैं.
So our company automates everything that happens on the farm, right from the seed to harvesting, with the help of software and the hardware that is built in-house.
We hope to create a made in India AI company that can help enterprises to scale.
IT is new generation technology, so we can grow faster. So I grow my company too fast.
Just quit my job before COVID happened, and that's where SS Technologies started. A group of my students got together and we started this company. My family motivated, and our family is very keen to work something like our small step towards the environment.
After working with Big Four like PwC, KPMG and a top law firm, economic loss practice, we have thought that whenever we create something of our own, we will have all the infrastructure, and we have all the setups that these people have. Why don't we provide these sort of services to MSMEs?
So the moment when we started this, the inspiration was that the Indian stories were always less on internet. There was always an English story. There was always the English thoughts on internet spreading across India. It's been more than 75 years now. We have our own culture. We have our own depth of stories, which we wanted to bring out from Indian regional authors on the platform digitally, so the young generation can get access to those stories. And we have been successful. 3 million plus users are using this.
Because from the childhood, I didn't have any accessibility because my parents could not communicate with me. So like that, there are deaf children who are suffering. That's why I set up this company.
So the biggest inspiration was to convert the traditional farming and incline it towards more the tech part. That was the biggest inspiration.
In year 2000, there was a Y2K boom, and then we thought, why not we move from electrical to information technology? And that's how we started the business in information technology in year 2000.
It always feels nice to get recognized. Entrepreneurship is a very tough journey, and all the support and encouragement that we get is always very, very appreciated.
It feels great. We are very honored to receive this award from Tally Solutions. This is our first business award, and thank you so much for that.
Absolutely, it will help me because I am from the same industry, so marketing. So by receiving this award, it will create more visibility for me to the market, and it will give me a more reach to more MSME owners to boost their business.
It is always gratifying to see someone recognize our work, and especially at such a large stage, and it just makes us feel motivated to go harder and work harder.
Our field is very niche and it's unknown field, and I'm very overwhelmed that my field is getting recognized by a well-known software company like Tally.
Definitely, it is a validation to what we are doing, and of course, it is a testament of the work my team is doing at the back end, and of course, again, the entire motivation from our peers and family and people who've been instrumental.
ये अपने लिए मोटिवेशन आएगा और फ्यूचर के लिए हमको और चैलेंजेस आएगा और अच्छा काम करेंगे हम लोग.
Tally has awarded us, and this motivates us to make us more like what we can give to our society.
I am really feeling very glad, appreciated. I thank Tally and the MSME and the jury for taking this step. This basically recognizes us in terms of the work we have been doing. I have been working in this field since 4.5 years. And I mean, it is high time people like us are recognized more and more, especially in the healthcare field.
Huge validation, huge shot in the arm. Obviously, for a young startup, there is a large team that goes unnoticed many a times, and there's a lot of effort that goes behind it. Events like these is definitely a huge validation that we are on the right track. Being an MSME ourselves, doing something which affects the other MSMEs, it's forums like these is something that we are very proud of.
Well, it's an honor. It feels really very nice for receiving this award for the hard work that we as a team have done it. Not only we as a team, but the clients that they have supported, the family that they have supported. Yes, it's tremendous efforts. That's it.
Very good feel होता है, और इससे मुझे feel होता है कि I'm growing है, मेरी company growing है.
We are quite excited after this award to reach out to more people.
I feel wonderful. I don't believe that they selected. I was awarded. There were around 19,000 people who had nominees. So I was one of them. I don't believe that.
मुझे ये अवार्ड से बहुत ही बूस्टर डोज ही मिला है. मुझे SME IPO में जाना था, तो इससे मुझे और भी किक हो गया है, और हम 100% उसके अभी जाएंगे.
एकदम बेहतर लग रहा है, खुशी महसूस हो रही है.
This is a lot to us because it's going to help us focus more on how best we perform and move ahead and ahead. And obviously, we have been getting the support from the MSME committee. So it means a lot to us.
I believe the MSME award will inspire and help us to push the boundaries whatever possible, and also will help us to make more advancement in terms of technology for the farming community.
ये अवार्ड एक मेरे अपने आप के अंदर एक मोटिवेशन, एक पॉजिटिव एनर्जी जो है वो इंक्रीज करता है, जिसकी वजह से मैं मेरी टीम को या मेरी कंपनी को भी ये एनर्जी, यहाँ से जो एनर्जी लेके जा रहा हूँ वही एनर्जी मैं मेरी टीम को और कंपनी को भी मैं इनपुट कर सकूँ.
My family, my parents have been like a rock of support in dealing with all the challenges of business.
I mean, the award is not just a single Wonder Woman award, but it is the team behind it.
We've been supported by a lot of people, including vendors, employees, investors, especially customers.
Team has put in to support the business in the younger years and even now. So we are quite proud of the talent that we have, and we are proud to retain them for as long as we can.
It will help me because I am from the same industry, so marketing. So by receiving this award, it will create more visibility for me to the market.
There are more than 35-40 million MSMEs, and this gives us a national presence.
MSME Honors Award actually will help motivate our internal teams because it's a recognition for all the work that has happened.
It means to me that I have to work harder.
It is a validation that we're doing something right.
Act like a catalyst for us.
Gratitude.
Dreams comes true.
Resilience.
Overwhelming. Motivation.
Responsibility.
Growing.
Recognized.
Superb.